Welcome guys to Eating Good with Rick and Jerry. Today we have for you a Cosori Premium 6-quart pressure cooker that we got on Amazon at a great deal for $49.99. So, you know, if you guys are looking for a Instapot, this is a company that is an alternative to purchasing that Instapot that has a bit more features and presets compared to the Instapot. So let's go ahead and unbox it, and we're gonna just open it up from the top. It feels, you know, pretty premium. It doesn't feel cheap at all. There's the top of the box there. Has like a little inlay so you can see what you can do with it. And to start off, we got your instruction manual on how to use it. And a nice big styrofoam to protect the stuff. Keep going, and it looks like you get a glass lid for the Cosori. Oh, that's pretty easy. So we get the box out of the way. So there is the Cosori right there. And you twist the top to take it off. And inside you get even more accessories. So let's open this bag up. See what we get. We get like a ladle, kind of like for a hot pot stew. A rice spoon or a spatula. A nice measuring cup so you can measure your rice that you're gonna make. I think this is for evaporation, so you can collect the water that's being trickled down. An extra sealing ring for the top, and you get that steamer rack. It looks kind of tall to me, but you know, you can make it work, or you can get one from IKEA for like $1. Nice protective thing. And the pot itself, the Cosori pot, it makes up to 12 cups of rice, or it says 12 cups up there. So that's a nice, very nice pot, very elegant looking. The inside is coated with like an enamel to protect it from the heat, and you can see the heating element down there. There's the front controls in case you guys want to take a look at that. So we'll go get more in depth on this one as soon as we use it. Here's that steam, the measuring cup, the moisture, the extra sealing ring. I'm gonna throw it back all inside, and I'm gonna put this lid here. That's pretty good. That fits real snug. It's very nice. And then the bottom of the lid here, in case you guys want to see that. And up here we got the pressure release for the Cosori pot here. There we go. And it's very easy to use. Placed right on top, and it's snap and lock. Very easy. Has a lot of presets for hot pot, saute, and brown. You can bake. You can reheat food, slow cook yogurt, pasta, boil. So you can boil some stuff in here. It has the steamed potatoes, steamed vegetables, and I'm pretty sure they have preset times for these things. The brown rice, white rice, and multi-grain options. Meat and for stews, poultry soups, and chili beans. So again guys, this is a nice pot. Again, this is just an unboxing. We're going to be doing more cooking with this thing, and I'm going to be putting a link in the description below in case you guys want to pick one up from Amazon. I hope they're still on sale for $49.99, but if you can find one for cheaper, even better. So again, thank you guys for watching. This is just a quick unboxing, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace.